my undergraduation in BCA from Bangalore University in 2021. After completing my BCA, I came here Pyspiders Rajajinagar, and it is a better platform for the young talent to build their career. After came here, I learned so many things, lot of things, and it helped me to improve myself. And now it is like a home for me. It's a bit sore for me to leave this place, and the faculties are HRs here are so good and so kind. They help me a lot to improve in my technical skill and programming skill. Mainly, I mentioned Kirshan sir and Rahul sir. They helped me to improve my skills, and now I got placed in a good company with a good package. So Pyspiders Rajajinagar is a good place. So come soon, study hard and get placed soon.